Veriflow is pioneering a way to prevent outages and breaches in networks through a very new mathematical network verification technology. We're excited to partner with Arista to integrate Veriflow with EOS CloudVision NetDB streaming. Arista has a vision for networking as software-driven and enabled by a view of the whole network together in real time, rather than one device at a time. That's a powerful vision that aligns well with ours. What we've recognized is that enterprise network infrastructure has become highly complex and at the same time is struggling with an accelerating pace of change. With largely device-by-device manual mechanisms for controlling and understanding those networks, the result is that changes lead to outage incidents and security vulnerabilities. At Veriflow, we took a new approach to solve those problems, inspired by the field of formal verification. The idea is to mathematically analyze the design of a complex engineered system to have confidence in whether it is correct and secure, without waiting to see what happens. It's an approach that has had great success in industries from microprocessor design to the software running on NASA's Mars rovers. We've invented a new way to apply those ideas to networking for the first time in what we call mathematical network verification. Veriflow predicts all possible network-wide data flow behavior without waiting for that traffic to occur, and then verifies mathematically whether network-wide policies are actually preserved. As an example, I might want to be certain that my wireless access points cannot in any way reach a critical database service in one of my data centers. And I want to ensure that critical services are available to users and protected from outage. Veriflow allows me to express the network-wide policy and pinpoint any vulnerability in those policies, whether they're segmentation or microsegmentation policies, service availability, or compliance policies. So instead of waiting to try to find anomalies in current traffic, after a problem or a data breach is already happening, we're basically predicting the future, predicting how traffic could behave before it does. Using CloudVision's APIs, Veriflow can receive a stream of information about network-wide state as it happens. This continuous verification lets us minimize security vulnerabilities and change-induced outage incidents. Now let's see how this comes together. Fred Hsu, technical marketing engineer at Arista, will take us through a demo of the integration of EOS CloudVision NetDB streaming with Veriflow.
Thanks, Brighton. In this demo, we're going to show how we can integrate Veriflow with CloudVision. And we'll start off here on the Veriflow window and show our segmentation policy. So here we can define a policy that says a particular node cannot talk to another node. So in this case, we have our Internet Edge node, which is leaf 8, which should not be able to talk to one of our servers. Now I'm going to go over here to CloudVision and I'm going to modify my access list policy. So let's say I made a configuration change and I messed up and I started allowing traffic in one direction to that switch from that host. Now I'll apply this change in CloudVision, so I'll save my changes and run the task. So now that my task is complete, I'll come over here to my event viewer, and you'll see that we get a notification that the config is changed, as well as a notification from Veriflow indicating a policy violation. And from here I can click on Show in Veriflow and bring up the Veriflow dashboard. In Veriflow, I can see that it's reporting the segmentation violation, and when I click on it, I can see the path that's violating that segmentation. So we can see that we've got a path between our switch and our host that shouldn't be allowed. I'll come back over here to CloudVision, and I'll fix my configuration error. So I'm going to go to my switch and apply a new configlet. And we'll set up a new task to fix my problem. And now once I've saved and run the task again, we'll see what happens in Event Viewer. So now my task is complete, we'll come back over here to Event Viewer, and we can see that we were notified of another config change on the device. And now Veriflow is showing that the segmentation policy has been verified. So we're back within compliance of our original policy. We click on View in Veriflow, and we come back and see that we're no longer violating the segmentation. Thanks, and back to you, Brighton.
Clearly, this combination of Veriflow and Arista EOS CloudVision NetDB streaming provides customers with deep visibility into today's data center network workloads, workflows, and workstreams. I and the whole Veriflow team are excited about working together with Arista in delivering comprehensive correlation of network state and continuous verification on a network-wide basis, accelerating completion of day-to-day tasks, reducing operational costs, and protecting network infrastructure.